Anyways,
I'm ready to go.
Hi everyone, my name is Audrey and I'm the host of Au Pairs Unpacked, the cultural care podcast. My family is currently hosting our third au pair, and I also work for the agency in our Denver, Colorado office. In my role, I talk to parents all day long about their childcare needs. I know there are lots of questions about the au pair program, and my guests and I are here to help answer some of the most common ones. We'll also be sharing our best tips for families who are currently hosting an au pair and want to make the most of their experience. So let's dive in.
I'm in, I just think that if we are going to love someone really well, we should love the totality of who they are, where they come from, how they culturally show up. And so we're in, baby. I'm about to get a Brazilian tattoo.
I always say that, my husband probably saved my marriage, but the au pairs probably saved my life. Mm-hmm. And that is why I've stuck with the au pair program for so long.
So you have this person coming to live with you for at a minimum a year. Sometimes you get lucky and they can stay for 2 full years. And the tip is to remember to have fun, right? This is now someone who's part of your family.
Years ago, my husband actually suggested, hey, maybe we should look into getting an au pair. And my reaction was, no, absolutely not. That sounds incredibly expensive. And then a friend of mine had an au pair. We knew each other because I had been Miss Vermont and she was a former Miss DC. And I started looking at the numbers and I was like, I was wrong. And then I annoyingly had to tell my husband, oh, you were right. I was wrong.
And I know the developmental benefits of raising bilingual children. And so I always just imagined that for myself. I wasn't sure exactly how we would make that happen. But the au pair program was an amazing way to do that.
Okay, you got to teach me how to do the pageant wave, please. It's something like... How do you do it?
So you wave across the body. It's across the body. It's not so much a wave style.
Okay, so it's...
Well, I mean, that's kind of more of a TikTok dance. You don't want to, it's not so much.
Okay, across the body.